horse. Oh, wow. Say hi, horsey. Little baby kangaroo, right?
Little baby wallaby. Wallaby is like a small kangaroo.
Oh. Hey, Raj, where are you going?
I'm going to soccer on Saturday.
You're going. Yeah, today's Saturday. You're going to soccer?
Yeah.
Let me see your cleats. Oh, and you got your shin. You got your cleats. You got your shin pads. Wow. Okay. Where are you going, Raj?
I'm going to soccer.
So, when we look back on this day, this is your very first soccer day. So, this video is very special because it's the beginning of something that's going to be really special, okay? Because you're going to be a famous soccer player one day, maybe.
Yeah.
And this will be your very first soccer video. You just turned 4 a month ago. And now you're in Canada and you're going to your very first soccer lesson, or whatever you call it, right? Yeah. Okay. Mommy didn't know how to put your shin pads on. I thought they were on over, but they go under, so we got them figured out. We got it figured out, eh? Okay, so we have to go, so you're going to have to bring that with you. Okay? All right. Are you excited?
I'm going to go play soccer.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Yeah, and you're going to your first soccer lesson? Okay. Are you excited? Okay. Let's go. Mr. Timbit. Okay.
My water is good.
Yeah. Football player in the making. Rajero Edwards, number 17. Let mommy get a picture. So what do you like to call it, football or soccer?
I like soccer.
You want to call it soccer?
Yeah.
Do you know in Jamaica they call it football?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Daddy calls it footballer, football.
Yeah.
He says, me done gonna be a footballer. Me pitney gonna be a footballer. Yeah? Representing Jamaica in the house.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you have your favorite color on?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
This carpet.
Yeah. Say, stay tuned, guys.
So stay tuned, guys. I just bring up my channel. Subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Say, remember to like, comment, and share.
I should all like, comment, share. Bye-bye.
All right, so let's come over here, Raj. There's Grandma coming to support.
Hi, there you are. Look at you, how spinny you look. I know, that's so nice.
Grandma, I got soccer outside.
I know, you're going to play soccer. You look great.
Look, Grandma got a coffee to represent your team. Okay, here, let's... So here we are, guys. Soccer practice, so cute. Guys, this is all new to me. I have no idea what soccer player in the making right here. Yeah! First goal!
Good job,
Woo! Woo! Jump over. Over the red one.
Good job. That was impressive.
2 feet. Jump over. Yeah. Now go over the yellow one. Jump over the yellow one and come back and jump over the red one. Jump. Yeah. Now come back and jump the red. Yeah. Back again. Do it again. Yep. Now the yellow. Jump. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Now go over to the yellow one. Over to the yellow. Jump. Jump. Okay, the red one. Come on, jump. Okay. Okay, actually run around and jump over all of them. Come on, let's just run around and jump over all of them. Everything you see, jump. Here, have a drink. Good job. Have a drink. You're doing so good, baby. Okay. All right, come over here and see what she's saying. Come on. Yeah, do it again. Good job. Do it again, run. Good job.
Watch it, Mike. Let's go find Mom.
Yeah, another. Go again. Go again. Good job. Up, not one more time.
Oh, two kicker.
Oh, almost. A little harder. Yeah! High five! Good job. Okay, line them up again. Do them again.
Oh, you missed one. Oh, you saved your own goal.
Okay, run around the cone and come back. Run, run, run as fast as you can. Okay, go again. Why are you, is your leg sore or your foot? What's going on here? Come on, let me check your foot. Oh, well, it went over. That's good. Okay, now get it again and try to kick it over or or hit it. Try to hit it in. Okay, good job. Good job, Raj. Come on, let's go over and see what your coach wants. Okay, go over with your group to do a big cheer. Woo! Come on, we gotta help clean up. Some water. Here's some water. Okay, Raj, tell me about your first day at soccer. Was it fun? Did you like it? Yeah. Wendy's. 81, 82, 80, 80,
84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 91, 92, 93, 94, 3, 4.
Oh wow, this one goes high. You're gonna be a best counter in the world. Guys, he's sad because he wants to drive. Yeah! Hold on tight. You going for a drive with a tractor? So we're at Holly Hills Petting Zoo, or Petting Farm. Is it fun? Yeah. You get bigger, you can drive a tractor. But right now you're tiny and you can't drive a tractor. Mommy can't even drive the tractor. Only the person who owns it can drive it. Oh. See all the animals? Yeah. Wow. Look at the donkeys. There's a kangaroo. Oh my goodness. There's a kangaroo. What this is, a pig? What is that, a pig? Oh my goodness. Horses. Wow. Oh, you're petting the horse. Oh, wow. Say hi, horsey.
Mommy?
Yeah. Oh. probably won't let you touch them. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, we're gonna see. What's this, Raj? Let's go see what this is.
This is a different one. Yeah, this is Ruby.
Oh, wow.
This is Ruby. She just came a few days ago. She's very flexible.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a little baby kangaroo, right?
Baby wallaby. Wallaby is like a small kangaroo.
Oh,
But they have a different coat. They do better in the rain.
See the babies? Oh, wow. Is that a sheep? Is that a sheep? Wow. Or
Sheep seem like the way to go.
he's over here all by himself. He's eating the grass. Wow. He's near him. Just stay right there. Yeah, don't go past the line. Stay there. Don't go past the line. I don't know. I think she said you can't go near him. Stay here. Yeah, I don't trust them. Come over this way, babe. Oh, there's a chicken over there. What does it say? Welcome to... No, don't let the chickens out, babe. Let me see. It says, we are bottom chickens that are too big for the farmhouse and too small for the chicken coop. Here we stay, safe to hatch our babies. Be careful. Did he get you? Don't put your finger in there. Come over here. Come. There's a petting one over here. Look. Right here. Look where all these children are. Come over here. Come over here.
He's bitten every grandchild at least once.
Oh, he's a chicken or rooster or something.
Gotta set boundaries, yeah.
You want to see the rabbit?
Oh, good sneeze.
Oh, look at the rabbit.
Careful, baby, you're gonna fall in. Yeah.
Look at the bunny.
And then you lift.
Pet the bunny. You had a bunny when you were home in Jamaica. Ah,
His feet are wet. You're standing in the water bowl.
so tiny, eh? Be gentle.
Don't sit on the ground. I'll get Randy over there. Chickens.
Come over here. Come. Oh, watch where you're going. What are these things? Whoa. Don't touch them, okay? You just got to stand near them. I remember my brother used to have a wagon. He loved his wagon. You like the wagon? You want Mommy to buy you a wagon? Yeah? Don't go too close to him. Talk to him. Say hi. Say, how are you? Don't go too close. She told us not to pet him for some reason, so We're just gonna let him be. Let him have his little piece. Here, mommy, hold it so you can get on. Go ahead. Put one leg over. Good job. He's happy he got his wagon back. He thought he lost it. Watch out for the animal. You're right next to him. I forget the name of this thing. She told me. What's the name of these again? What are the name of these? No, I mean, what are they called? Alpaca. This is an alpaca. I don't think I've ever heard of an alpaca. Pretty cool animals. He just wants the wagon. That's it. Careful, Raj.
I go behind it. That's gonna be bad. Don't in front of me. Right here. Perfect. Okay, I'll grab more rocks.
Hey, Chris, walk these over.
There's a flat tire. We got it?
Put your hand to the next one. Grab the next bar with one hand.
We're going. We have to go because there's zombies.
Grab the next bar.
I need my best friend by Ariane. I'm right here by her. It's okay. I'm on the swing that you went on. Ow.
Yes.
Now push me.
Way to go, dude. Muscles.
Ow. No. Yeah, this is one of the best. Oh, look at that. It smells so stinky here. Alright.
Okay, you got this. One hand, then the other hand. Come on, swing like a monkey. Swing like a monkey. Come on, one hand, then the other.
Where do you want to go? What?
Okay, use one hand to the other pole, and then the other hand to the other. Come on, you got it. Someone else wants to come behind you, so come on. Want mommy to help you? Wash your hands good. Done? Wash them again. Use some more soap. Make sure they're really good and clean. Good job. Good job. Okay, you can, now you can get a treat, okay? Let me see what it is.
It's candy.
Oh, candy. Okay. Want mommy to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Fun? Come here. Say thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe.
Look how pretty this time of the year it is. With all... Where are we at? Mommy's taking a video. Where are we at? Are you at the beach? Okay, come on.
Oh.
This is called Saratoga. You want to play with some toys?
Yeah.
Okay. I love this beach, guys. So nice. All right. Okay, what did you say? Hi, guys.
Hi guys. We're at beach today. Hi guys. I want to play some toys.
You're gonna play with some toys? Okay, so let's get your toys out. So we got your truck that you got for your birthday. Did you put the shovel back in? Because you took it out. I don't know if you put it back in. Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay, hold on a minute. This what you wanted to do?
Yeah.
Wanted to come to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Good job.
11. 12.
Cool. Such a beautiful evening. You ready to go home? He does not want to leave. Beautiful British Columbia. The camera just do not do it justice. Really nice places you can rent over there. And there's rentals over there. So nice. Literally one of my favorite places in the whole world is at the beach. So it's my pleasure to bring him here today.
Oh no, my toe!
Come get a picture with Mom. Here, come with Mommy, see. Here. Okay, let's put our sandals on and
Can I give you that shuttle?
we have to go, honey.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?